you've been searching for a foldable phone with flagship cameras, premium design, and real productivity, the Vivo X Fold 6 might surprise you. The moment I held it, one thing stood out. It feels incredibly premium. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Unlike most bulky foldables, it's light, slim, and beautifully crafted. The frosted back, polished frame, and elegant curves make it look seriously expensive. It's comfortable to carry anywhere, and once you unfold that big display, movies, social media, and even reading become far more immersive. But the design is only the beginning. The biggest upgrade is Origin OS 6 Fold, and this is where things get really interesting. Vivo's redesigned Atomic Workbench lets you run one main task alongside 4 supporting tasks, while the new 4-window parallel mode makes multitasking effortless. Whether I'm using AI, creating content, planning trips, or chatting while watching videos, everything stays smooth. It's one of those features that genuinely boosts everyday productivity. Now let me show you why this feels more like a portable workstation than a smartphone. Here's how I use it every day. When I'm exploring new places or planning a shoot, I simply grab a screenshot in parallel mode, select the important details, and send them straight to the AI. Within seconds, it builds a complete shooting schedule that I can save to Atomic Notes with one tap. At the same time, I can compare flights, make bookings, and check my filming checklist, all without switching between apps. Everything stays organized in one place, making travel planning incredibly simple. And there's more coming. Vivo is preparing an OTA update with the PC version of Xiaowai Cloud, bringing seamless two-way communication between your phone and computer. That means the X Fold 6 can become a true portable creative workstation, something content creators will definitely appreciate. As if that wasn't enough, Origin OS 6 Fold also introduces an airdrop-style sharing experience. This completely changes how iPhone and Vivo devices work together. After signing in to the same Vivo account, sharing photos, documents, and project files becomes quick and effortless. You can edit iPhone photos on the foldable display, send files back instantly, track airdrop transfers, and even use double-tap editing. Best of all, file transfers aren't limited to the same Wi-Fi network anymore. As long as both devices are online, everything syncs smoothly. Calls, messages, and even verification codes can sync across devices, making copy and paste effortless. It finally removes many of the barriers between iPhone and Android. And if all that productivity still isn't enough, imagine getting even more screen space to work with. So, tell me, is this display finally big enough for you? But wait, the productivity features don't stop there. The X Fold 6 also brings a brand new PC mode that turns an external display into a desktop-like workspace. It can even work as a keyboard and mouse, making computer control incredibly easy. You also get the full PC version of WPS, so editing documents feels just like using a real computer. And then there's mirror mode, a futuristic feature that's surprisingly fun to use. Now let's talk cameras, because Vivo didn't compromise here either. The X Fold 6 packs a true flagship camera system. It's the first foldable with a ZEISS 200mm equivalent telephoto camera, delivering incredibly sharp long-range shots. From landscapes to concert zoom, the detail is impressive. ZEISS optics also produce beautiful natural portraits, while the built-in film filters make photos look amazing straight out of the camera with almost no editing. Of course, none of this matters without powerful hardware, and Vivo delivers. Every X Fold 6 comes with a huge 7,000 mAh battery, easily lasting through heavy multitasking, video recording, meetings, and entertainment. And when you finally need to recharge, 80-watt wired and 40-watt wireless fast charging get you back up in no time. Durability is just as impressive, with IPX8 water resistance, IPX5 dust resistance, and reliable performance even in temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius. It's built to handle everyday accidents and tough environments without stress. The displays have also been upgraded. Both the inner and outer screens use new luminous display technology with Vivo's advanced eye protection calibration. Whether you're editing late at night or binge watching in the dark, the screen stays comfortable on your eyes during long sessions. With the X Fold 6, Vivo has redefined what a foldable phone can be. Closed, it feels like a slim, premium flagship. Open it, and it transforms into a portable AI-powered workstation that blends productivity with entertainment. Whether you're a content creator, a busy professional, or someone who loves traveling, photography, and watching videos, the X Fold 6 fits naturally into your daily life without major compromises. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.